Beneath its lush, fresh green foliage, white bougainvillea flowers bloom like cloud fragments falling to the ground. Their petals are thin and light, yet they radiate a beauty that soothes the heart. They are not merely ornamental flowers, but rather a symbol of enchanting simplicity, bringing a calm and peaceful atmosphere to the yard. Bougainvillea is also known as a resilient plant, requiring little maintenance, yet providing beauty throughout the seasons. Their presence beautifies gardens, yards, and even city streets, adding to the aesthetic appeal of the environment. From an economic perspective, bougainvillea has quite promising value. It is often used as a high-value ornamental plant, both as a bonsai and as a garden decoration. Demand for bougainvillea continues to exist, especially in landscaping, the real estate business, and even event decoration. Please support our channel by liking and subscribing. Thank you.